How to crossplay Rainbow Six Siege on PS5 and PC. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete. And today in this instructional video presentation, I'll address your queries regarding crossplay in Rainbow Six Siege between PS5 and PC. So let's explore if this is feasible. In order to investigate crossplay options between the PC and consoles, visit the Ubisoft support site and search for Rainbow Six Crossplay and hit enter. The first article among the various articles provided. As soon as you click on this article, the information provided indicates that the matching between the PC and console platforms is not supported. Therefore, playing together with a friend on PS5 while you're on a PC is currently not possible. The only crossplay available is between PlayStation and Xbox users. PC players can only engage with others on Steam or Ubisoft platforms, not across PC and console. This video aims to clarify the limitations of the crossplay in Rainbow Six Siege. If this video has addressed your concerns, kindly like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials for the future. Thanks for watching, happy gaming, and see you in the next video.